Today, I'll be telling you guys what is Snapchat friend limit, okay? So if you do not know, Snapchat only allows you to have 6,000 friends at a time. So if you're trying to go above the 6,000 mark, and that basically means you have reached a friend limit. So I have less than 100 friends in Snapchat, which means I can add more friends. But if your friend list in Snapchat is 6,000 and you want to add more people, you cannot. That is basically what friend limit is. So try to look into your friend list and see if you have 6,000 friends or not. If you have 6,000 friends, then that's basically Snapchat trying to see you have reached the number of friends you can have in Snapchat. And I don't think anybody has 6,000 friends in Snapchat. And do not get confused. Subscribers and friends are different. You gonna have millions to millions, hundreds of millions of subscriber and Snapchat. But for friends, you can only have 6,000 of it. So don't get confused between subscriber and friends. And if you have reached, like, your friend limit on Snapchat and you want to add new friend, then the only thing you can do is remove your old friend and then add the new one. That's the only option you have. That is basically what Snapchat friend limit is. And that is how you guys can solve it. So if you guys found her video helpful, then hit the subscribe to her channel. I'll see you guys next time.